Hey everyone, welcome back to Mama Weesie Kitchen. Yes, we're cooking today, y'all. I'm about to show y'all something quick and easy that y'all can make. And today is Saturday, but y'all want to see this video into Sunday. And y'all know Sunday is what? Playoff Sunday. So y'all can make this for the game, the playoff game, right? Okay. So yeah, I decided to turn the camera on and share with y'all, this recipe that is going to be made. And I hope y'all enjoy it. Okay, so let's go. I need to take these braids out, y'all. It is 2025 and I still have these braids in. Oh yeah, how y'all New Year's going so far? But January is almost over, y'all. And it's about to be February. Wow. This month had gone by real fast. But yeah. So, y'all, let's get into the cooking. Yeah. Oh, wait. Before we start the cooking, I wanted to know, since I mentioned the playoff, how many of y'all look at football? All right. As y'all know, my team is the Eagles. Yay! And we are in the playoffs. And we are playing Sunday. Sunday we are playing against the Commanders. It used to be Washington Redskins, but they changed their names to the Commanders. So we are playing them, and we're about to whip their butts. Okay, yes, I'm speaking it in existence. Okay, but yeah. So that's how I want to know, and then I want y'all to make some comment, and let me know who y'all going for in the playoff. Okay, who y'all going for? Are y'all going for my Eagles or who? Okay, let me know who y'all want to see in the Super Bowl. Okay, so make them comments. All right, and y'all don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Mwah. Welcome back to Mama Weesie channel. And I'm about to make some cheese balls.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
No, I'm about to make some cheeseburger balls. So I want y'all to come on along with me and watch me make it. Yeah, as y'all can see, I already fried up my onions. And I'm using the Doughboy biscuits.
No, it's the Pillsbury flaky layers.
Yes. Y'all hear my daughter in the background. She got to be in it. So these are some fried onions.
Yummy.
And I'm going to go over to the stove and y'all will see the ground beef that I'm frying up in the pots. Okay, let's go. This is the ground beef in the pack. We got 73 lean, 27 fat, standard proud ground beef. Have any one of y'all ever used that ground beef before? Comment and let me know. Or let me know what other kind of ground beef y'all use if y'all was to try this recipe. Okay, this is the ground beef.
That's too much. You're not gonna be able to fold it. Oh my goodness. See, she's trying to be a big back and stuff. Bro, why did she stuff that ball so big? Oh. Bro, just flip the dang thing over. Oh my goodness.
Preheating the oven on 325. We have some ground beef left over. Will we be using this to eat some nachos? Yes, we got the sauce that we will be adding into the ground beef for the game on Sunday. So yeah, the ground beef would not go to waste. No. Like I said, we preheating the oven on 325, but we're gonna bake it on 375. We want that slow bake so it can get nice and brown. Oh yeah, this could be another little peeky is browning.
Oh snap! Mommy, hurry up!
You can tell me where we're going.
The woods. My uncle's brother Ron built a cabin out there like 30 years ago.
Y'all, just how good it was. It's empty, not even the aluminum foil left in there. They cleaned that out. We really enjoyed it. Empty. We have 14 and 14 is gone. Try it, y'all. Try it.